Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to work on tag number 1 and the prompt is hot cocoa. I scored these hot cocoa cutouts from the Dollar Tree and I decided to just completely embellish it. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to ink the entire edge of the cup. And in case you're wondering, Dollar Tree still has these cutouts available. I actually saw them a couple days ago at my local Dollar Tree. So here I did a actual cutout of the cup. What I did was I traced it and I created an SVG file. And next I'm going to spritz it with some water. And then I'm going to use some distress stain. And I'm going to just completely clean it off with a paper towel and dry it up with my heat tool. Now, if you don't have a Silhouette or a Cricut machine, don't worry. You can actually just trace the entire cup and fuzzy cut with scissors. And for the handle, I recommend you use an X-Acto knife. So here I'm going to ink the entire edge of the cup. And next off, I'm going to just glue it. And I'm using super tight glue. I do have a 15% coupon code below. And the reason why I use super tight so much is because they follow a European model and their standards of ingredients are very high and they're non-toxic. Next off, I'm going to file the paper down. So the whipped cream, I also did do a trace and SVG file, so I cut it with my Silhouette. I made one part smaller than the other because I wanted to add dimension to the cup. I'm going to ink the edges. I'm going to glue it down, and for the part on top, I'm using phone tape, just again to add a dimension I want to give it. So now is the time to embellish the cup. I did have this rosette die on hand and I used it, although it looks more like a snowflake to me. And I inked the edges and I'm just going to add a snowflake, and I also had a puffy sticker. So pretty much just find anything you have on hand and you can embellish it all you want. Now, after I added the ribbon, I felt like something was missing, so I did find this sentiment from the paper collection I was using. I was able to cut it on the edge to look like it was actual shape of the cup. I wish the strip would have been a little longer, but it's not, but that's fine. I think it works well. It says "Oh So Jolly," so this is tag number 1. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to showing you tag number 2, and give this video a big like, because it's viewers like you that really keep this channel going, and I appreciate all your support. And you could also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, and God bless.